Hey there, YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel, where I bring you all the latest celebrity drama and juicy gossip. Today we have got a real boneless to discuss Brad Pitt accusing Angelina Jolie of some seriously sandy behavior during their custody battle. Grab your proportion and let's dive into the details. So here's the scope. Brad Pitt claims that Angelina Jolie attracted a secret plan to steal her shares of their French estate, Château Miraval, as an act of revenge. According to the local documents, Brad and the Angelina had arrangement not to sell the property without mutual consent. But when their divorce proceedings started, Angelina suddenly wanted out. Now get this, Angelina even agreed to a 68-38% division of Brad's favor, acknowledging his great financial and time investment in the project. But guess what? Brad was completely blinded when he found out that Angelina had sold her 50% stake. A Russian oligarch talk about a plot twist of pressuring her into signing a hush clause to keep quiet about their divorce. According to Angelina's lawsuit, Brad has been on a mission to assert control over the Château Miraval and its assets for his personal benefit and the benefit of his business and associate. She alleges that he tried to develop our company and novel and secure sole ownership of the estate. It is a major legal battle, to say the least. So why telling the truth here? Will Brad and Angelina ever find a peaceful resolution? We will have to stay tuned to find out. But one thing's for sure, this custody battle just got a whole lot more instance, and with the association of vindicative the behavior and secretive deals. That's all we have for you today, folks. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to the date with the latest or last celebrity news. Until the next time, keep those gossip intense and remember the truth. Okay, bye.